Alright, next topic is about finding higher order derivatives. Okay, finding higher order derivatives, that means we need to differentiate 2 times. Okay, this is, let's say, y equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Let's say. Okay, so we need to differentiate 2 times. That means first derivatives, okay, and then second derivatives. Okay, the first order, second order. Okay, first kali differentiate and then second differentiate. Okay, so look at example 1.16. A. Okay, example 1.16a, y equals to x cubed minus 5x plus 3. Okay, so how to differentiate? Okay, first differentiate. Okay, first derivatives, or we call it as first order. Okay, so differentiate x cubed, we get 3x square. Differentiate negative 5x, you get negative 5. Differentiate 3, you get 0. Okay, so this is the first order derivatives. Okay, we need to find the higher order. Find the higher order, that means we need to differentiate 2 times. Okay, that means the question asks about find the second order derivatives. Okay, differentiate 2 times. So this is the second order derivative. It is differentiate 3x square is 2. Okay, the power 2, bring in front 2 times 3, and then x square. X 2 minus 1, you get 1 lah. Okay, and then differentiate negative 5, you get 0. So 2 times 3, you get 6x. So this is the answer. Okay, the answer for second derivatives, the second order derivatives. Okay, and then look at B. Okay, B dia dah tunjukkan dalam notes awak tu, B dah tunjuk. Okay, you can refer on your own. Okay, look at C. C is y equals to x minus 5 divided by x plus 4. So how to differentiate this one? Okay, we have division. That means we need to use a quotient rule or division rule. Okay, to differentiate, use technique division rule. So we let this as u, and then this as v. Okay, so u is equal x minus 5, bawa keluarkan dia. And then v is equal x plus 4. V is equal x plus 4. Okay, and then differentiate. Okay, differentiate u prime. Okay, with respect to x. Differentiate x, we get 1. Differentiate negative 5, you get 0. Okay, and then v prime. Okay, differentiate v. Differentiate x, we get 1. Differentiate 4, we get 0. And then use the formula division rule. Dy dx, y prime equals to dy dx. It is equal v u prime. Okay, disebabkan dia division rule, so you have to minus u v prime divided by v square. Okay, ingat lagi tak formula dia? And then substitute value into formula. V is x plus 4. U prime is 1 minus u is x minus 5. V prime is 1. Okay, and then divided by v square, x plus 4 power 2. Okay, and then you can solve. X plus 4 times 1, still x plus 4. Negative x minus 5 times 1, still x minus 5. So negative x, negative, positive 5. Divided by x plus 4 power 2. Okay, no need to expand this one. No need to expand. Okay, and then x minus x, you get 0. So 4 plus 5, you get 9. Over x plus 4 power 2. Okay, but we need to to get the second order derivatives. Okay, the higher order derivatives, that means we need to differentiate 2 times. So this is the first differentiation. Okay, first order derivatives. So y prime is 9 over x plus 4 power 2. Okay, and then we need to this is division rule, or you can bring up. Okay, bring up, you will get 9 times x plus 4 negative 2. Okay, kenapa bawa naik atas? Sebab dekat atas ni, okay, the numerator, it doesn't have variable x. So you can bring up. Okay, it will become x plus 4 negative 2. Okay, and then you can differentiate for the second time. Okay, so negative 2, power negative 2, bring in front, negative 2 times 9. And then x plus 4, negative 2 minus 1, you get negative 3. And then differentiate the value in the bracket. Differentiate x, you get 1. Differentiate 4, you get 0. So, it is 1 only. Okay. And then, negative 2 times 9, you get negative 18, right? And then, times dengan x plus 4, negative 3. Okay. But, we need to make sure that the power must be in positive value. So, negative 18, bawa turun bawah balik. Over x plus 4 power 3. So, this is the answer. Okay. You faham dah? Kalau yang ni, kenapa kita guna konsep division rule? Sebab dua-dua numerator dengan denominator ada variable x. It has variable x. So, we need to differentiate using division rule technique. Okay. But this one, 9 over x plus 4 power 2. 9 ni, it doesn't have variable x. Okay, it is constant number. So you can, from the denominator, you can bring up. Okay, it will become x plus 4 negative 2. And then differentiate macam biasa. Okay, basic differentiation. Alright, you faham now? And then, okay, this is C. Look at D. D is y equals to exponent negative 2x times cos x. Okay. Boleh nampak dah? Alright. So, to differentiate this one. Okay. As you can see this is concept multiplication. Okay, dia it is multiplied. Exponent negative 2x times cos x. So we need to use the product rule. Okay, to differentiate we need to use the product rule. So we let this as u, and then this cos as v. Okay, and then bawa keluarkan dia. U equals to e negative 2x, and then v equals to cos x. Okay, and then differentiate u prime, differentiate e negative 2x, exponent, differentiate exponent, you still get exponent negative 2x, and then times, differentiate this one, negative 2x, differentiate negative 2x, you get negative 2. So the answer for u prime is negative 2 e negative 2x. The constant number bring in front. Okay, awak bawa ke depan. Okay, and then v equals to cos x. So v prime differentiate cos x, you get negative sin x. Okay, remember? And then use the formula y prime, it is equal dy over dx. Okay, y prime, that means first order derivatives. Okay, first differentiation. So v u prime, okay, disebabkan konsep product rule, it is plus. u v prime. Okay, and then substitute into formula. So u v is cos x times u prime, which is negative 2e negative 2x, negative 2e negative 2x, plus u is exponent negative 2x times v prime is negative sine x. Okay, and then negative 2 exponent times dengan cos x, it should be negative 2 exponent cos x. Okay, and then positive negative, ini bukan minus this is negative for sin x, so positive negative, it should be negative exponent times dengan sin x, it should be exponent sin x. Alright, and then what? Okay, this is the first differentiation, first order derivatives. So we need to find the second order derivatives. Okay, the higher order, that means the second order derivatives. Okay, so as you can see, this one have exponent, this one has exponent, so you can factorize exponent negative 2 cos x minus sin x. Okay, why we should factorize? Because it is make it easier to you guys differentiate for the second time. Okay, so exponent 2x we let as u, and then this one we let as v for second derivatives. Okay, second differentiation. Alright, so remember this one Okay. So we know that u is exponent negative 2x, and then v is negative 2 cos x minus sin x. You nampak lah? Oh, sorry, tak nampak tadi. Okay, and then differentiate u. Okay, differentiate exponent negative 2x. Still, you get exponent negative 2x, but then you need to differentiate negative 2x. Okay, differentiate the power. Negative 2x, differentiate negative 2x, you get negative 2. Okay, and then so negative 2, it is constant, bring in front negative 2, exponent negative 2x. Okay, and then v, differentiate v prime. So, negative 2 cos x. Negative 2 is a constant. Okay. Negative 2 is a constant. Stay kan dia. So, differentiate cos x. You get negative sin x. Okay. Negative 2 is constant. So, no need to differentiate. Okay. Asingkan dia. Dia ibarat negative 2 d dx cos x actually. So, negative 2, differentiate cos x, you get negative sin x. Okay. So, no need to differentiate 2. 2 is constant. And then, minus sin x, differentiate negative sin x, differentiate sin x. This one minus, differentiate sin x, you get cos x. Okay. And then, simplify. So, negative, negative, it should be positive. So, 2 sin x minus cos x. Okay. So, we have done differentiate u and v. And then, substitute into formula for second derivatives. Equals to v u prime plus u v prime. Okay. So, v is negative 2 cos x. Negative 2 cos x minus sin x. Times u prime. U prime, this one. Negative 2 exponent. And this one, yes. Okay. Plus U is exponent times V prime, this one, 2 sin x minus cos x. Okay, you nampak dah? Alright. And then what? Expand kan dia? Okay, you need to expand. Okay, this one expand. Okay, so negative 2 times negative 2. Negative should be positive. So 2 times 2 you get 4. Exponent times cos x, exponent cos x. Right? And then negative 2 negative should be positive. Negative should be positive. So 2 exponent times dengan sin x, you get 2 exponent sin x. Right? And then exponent times 2 sin x, it should be 2 is a constant, bring in front 2, and then ambil exponent. Exponent times dengan sin x. And then exponent times cos x, positive, negative, it should be negative. Exponent cos x. Alright? You nampak dah? And then what? Solve kan dia? 4 exponent cos minus dengan exponent cos. This is 4. This is value 1 actually. So 4 minus 1, you get 3. Okay, kita tengok dia punya variable dia sama. Exponent negative 2x cos x, exponent negative 2x cos x. This is 4, this is value 1. So 4 minus 1, you get 3 exponent cos x. Okay, and then 2 exponent sine, 2 exponent sine. This one positive. So 2 plus 2, you get 4 exponent sin x. Okay, tengok variable dia sama. Exponent sin x, exponent sin x. So 2 plus 2, you get 4 exponent sin x. Okay, and then what? Kita tengok sini ada exponent. This one also have exponent. So you can factorize. Exponent negative 2x, it is times dengan 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. So this is the last answer. Okay, so exponent negative 2x times 3 cos x, you get 3 exponent cos x. Exponent times 4 sin x, you get 4 exponent sin x also. Okay, kalau tak nak factorize pun tak apa. This one also I can accept. Okay, kalau nak jawab sampai sini pun it's okay. Okay, never mind. Alright, boleh faham dah? This is for differentiate second order, the higher order derivatives. Okay, higher order derivatives, that means you had to differentiate 2 times. Alright, kalau tak faham boleh tanya kat WhatsApp, okay?